Hello, I am going to start more problem on partial fraction under indefinite integral, and within the next day or day after tomorrow I want to start the integration by parts. But I am going today to solve the more problem on partial fraction. It is under integral calculus. Problem 1, evaluate the problem is 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. So the form is 1 upon x plus a whole square. In the partial form, we can write 1 by x plus a, b by x plus a whole square. It is under this format. So we are writing this equal to, that is solution, evaluate solution this upon this. We can write 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. We can express this term in the partial form. It is equal to, what is this? A upon this, that is a upon x plus 2 plus b upon x plus 2 whole square. That is a upon x plus 2 and plus b upon x plus 2 whole square, or 3x minus 1 x plus 1 whole square, and the LCM of this part x plus 2 whole square. So we are getting a into x plus 2 into plus b. So now, or 3x minus 1 equal to a into x plus 2 plus b. We are marking it as 1. We are marking it as 1. Then we are now putting x equal to minus 2 in 1. We are putting x equal to minus 2. Then we are getting, what is we are getting? We are getting 3 into minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0 plus b. Minus 2 equal to minus 6, minus 1 minus 7, plus 0 plus b. Therefore b equal to minus 7. We are getting b equal to minus 7. Now we are comparing. It is the first one. Now comparing the coefficient of x in 1. What we are getting? 3x minus 1 equal to ax plus a2, 2a, ax plus 2a plus b. Their coefficient, if we compare, therefore coefficient equal to a equal to 3. Now we are writing here a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 7. B equal to, A equal to, we are getting 3, and B equal to, we are getting minus 7. Now we are removing this part. This. Now we are writing it in the form of integration. We are getting what? Integration. Now integration 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square dx equal to a equal to 3 1 by x plus 2 into dx plus what is b? B equal to minus 7. So we can write minus 7 and this equal to 1 by x plus 2 whole square dx. We are writing whole square plus dx. Now what is this? It is integration f dash x fx upon f dash x into dx equal to log fx plus c. So it can be written log modulus. What is the modulus? X plus 2 bracket close minus 7 x plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c plus, so 3 log x plus 2 and minus we are getting plus, then 7 and it is minus 1 the power, so it can be written as x plus 2 plus c, where c is an integration constant. We have converted the given integral in the partial form in this way, and we have solved the problem, and it is the final answer.